In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap variables in Python. First, I'll show you the wrong way, then I'll show you the right way, then I'll show you a better way. Let's start with the wrong way. To set things up, a equals 1 and b equals 2. Now how about let's try b equals a and a equals b. Let's see if that worked. Nope, we lost the 2. Time to think of something better. Let's set up the scenario again. A equals 1 and b equals 2. Now let's introduce something new, a temp variable. Now we didn't lose the 1 because we stored it in temp. And now to use a Pythonic trick to solve the problem. We'll set it up as before, but now write a comma b equals b comma a. Will this work? Yes, it will. Much better. So there you have it. Bad, better, and best ways to swap variables in Python.